Oftentimes your surgeon will talk to you about a chin implant because simply put, it has better value. What's up everyone, Dr. Sagar Patel talking to you from Beverly Hills, and today we're discussing the differences between a chin implant and chin lipo. Now chances are you're doing some research, trying to think of what surgery to do, and there's probably a good chance you haven't even thought of a chin implant in general, and this video is here to explain to you the differences and mainly how to decide between the two, one, the other, or doing both. Now, first of all, what is chin lipo and what is the chin implant? Chin lipo is a procedure in which we remove the fat from the area underneath your jawbone to help contour your neck. A chin implant can be done in multiple ways, in which we make an incision underneath the chin or inside the mouth and either use a silicone implant or directly cut on the bone to adjust the position of the bone to help improve the contour of the chin. Now, the key is when you improve the contour of the chin, we're also improving the contour of the neck, and that's where the decision comes into place. Now, before we get into the details of this, click on the video above to watch a video on the anatomy that we need to take into consideration before doing chin lipo, and this will help you a lot understanding your anatomy and when you might want to consider a chin implant. Oftentimes, your surgeon will talk to you about a chin implant because simply put, it has better value. Why is that? Well, lipo is a temporary procedure. It's going to tighten your skin and remove fat for as long as your skin stays tight and for as long as you don't gain the weight. For most of us, eventually we gain fat back and it doesn't last forever. The first advantage I'd say it has over a chin implant is that with lipo, we're able to target the sides a lot more, and that's going to definitely help an overall 3D architecture as opposed to the central chin area. If you notice, first of all, that your only issue is really the central chin, you may want to have a look at what's causing that. And very often that's the chin itself. The further back it's set, the more condensed this area. And because of that, despite weight loss, despite removing that fat, you still have more fat than you should. A key question is if you lost weight and you still didn't like the way that area looked, chances are there's a bony deficiency, i.e. a weak chin, that's causing that, and the true solution isn't just sucking out the fat, which is something similar to weight loss. It's actually pulling this forward or adding an implant to improve that area. Now, oftentimes we really have to look at what happens if we do both, and this is the difficult dilemma. I can tell you right now, you never need both, because if you need an implant and you don't want to do lipo, you can get that improvement by losing weight. If you click on this link above, you can watch a video where I talk about weight loss and lipo, but in this scenario, you can always lose the weight yourself. Now, when it comes to deciding to do both, the real question is efficiency. When we're there doing the chin implant, the incisions are the same and the downtime is going to be similar, and you can get maximal results. This is where a consultation is important, because we can discuss between surgeon and patient your goals and expectations and how to achieve those. And for everyone, you don't need to do multiple surgeries to achieve that same level of happiness and improvement. Last but not least, when it comes to deciding between the two, you really have to look at the true value. As I mentioned, once you do a chin implant, that problem is solved forever, and further improvement can be achieved by yourself. With lipo, we're getting a temporary improvement, and though it may be greater than you would get with just an implant itself, it's something that doesn't last forever. I think it's always a dilemma because we're looking for a lot of value now versus a little less value that lasts for longer, which is an age-old question. And I think that that's why you need a consultation to discuss a little bit more your individual goals and expectations. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Check out our Instagram for before and afters for lipos, chin implants, you name it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.